Welcome to EC Add-ons. In this video, we'll cover Unfold Widget for Elementor. Before use, make sure Unfold Content Widget is enabled from Essential Classy tab. Now jump into Elementor Editor and search Unfold Content Widget. In title, we have H1 to H6 and anchor tag option. In source content, we have editor, template, and container option. First, we look into editor options. You can manage text in editor. Also, we have button position option like top or bottom. And for more or less button, you can manage text and icon. Also, we have icon position before or after text options. For on load, we have content height option and content overlay height and color option. And in transition, you can manage open close. In alignment option, you can manage position of button and heading title. In button styling, we have padding, margin, width, and alignment options. Let's jump in template option. In this option, you can display template as a content. Let's jump in container option. In this option, you can display above or below container in Unfold content. Let's check sample layout using Unfold content.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.